far as preparation to put your ground blind out, there's a lot of things that go into that as well. Entry is the most important thing. Getting in here without them knowing it. Those deer are laying right there. They're laying right there in that pine thicket. The less they're disturbed, the closer to the food they'll get, in my opinion. So I gotta have a place where I can get to it really quiet. I already got that in mind. I can come in right there by that ladder stand, come in and get in the back of the blind, never get out in here, walk in that soft dirt. Other thing I'm gonna do is get the bottom of the blind ready. That's why I got a rake with me and a weed eater. I'm gonna get all that turned up, no leaves, no straw, no anything, because it ain't always gonna be wet like this. It's gonna get dry, and you don't want any crunching in there. So preparation to me is the shooting lanes, getting the inside ready, and planning your entrance, which is number one. Most people, when you buy a ground blind, it comes with these tiny little, looks like they cut a coat hanger, tiny little stakes you put in the ground. And that's cool. You want it staked down or you want it tied down. My experience is the right wind will blow that right off. So I always tie mine. I try to tie them in every corner. That's why I got lots of rope and I tie off each corner. And that way, the blind just won't move. Because this one will be here. This one may be here all hunting season. Another reason I bring the ropes, I put an extra piece of rope in the front, maybe down the side. Some of them come with places to put brush. Some of them don't. Some of them are real sturdy, some of them are not. But I like to be able to put branches and stuff behind here and again, tie to them. That's how I prefer to do it. Because I'm gonna, like I say, leave it out here for a long time, stake it down, that's cool, tie it down.